do a little cabin tour. So this is our little birdhouse we stuff with the animal fibers. This is the sheep's wool that I got. This is where we are retiring the plow and the disc. Woo woo! Let's go and see inside. Oh, we did a couple upgrades here. We're gonna have this little chalkboard for knowledge and information. Here's to the right, we have our sheep milk soaps. I don't know what's wrong with the camera. Doesn't want to focus. We'll find some other things. We'll have our worm castings down here. And then, if I can back up, you'll see the newest addition, which is a honey safe. Ha! That's what I'm calling it anyway. Here we have our unheated honeys. These are a spring unheated honey. The summer unheated honey, all we have left is the 1 pound jars on the bottom. And then we have the heated honey, which we need to get some heated spring honey. Got to get that decrystallized. And there you go. This is the update on the Village Exchange. This is just a picture I need to get hung up. Those are my chickens eating the mealworms that I raised. And I think on this, we just put this piece of wood. It is a rough edge piece of trim. I'm going to think about burning the word thank you above the door. I gotta find the time to do that burning first. So there's your short little tour. Everyone have an amazing day.